In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print passport-size photos using Microsoft Word. This method is simple, fast, and doesn't require any special software. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create perfectly sized passport photos and print multiple copies on a single page. To start, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once your document is ready, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Then click on Pictures. Choose the photo you want to use from your computer, and it will appear on the page. Make sure the image you select is clear and high resolution to ensure the printed photo looks professional. Next, we need to resize the image to standard passport dimensions. In most cases, a passport photo is 2 inches by 2 inches. Click on the image to select it. Then either right-click and choose Size and Position, or go to the Picture Format tab at the top. In the Size section, set the height and width to 2 inches each. If necessary, unlock the aspect ratio to prevent distortion, making sure your face stays proportionally correct. Once the image is resized, you can create multiple copies on the same page. Simply select the photo, press Ctrl+C to copy it, and Ctrl+V to paste it as many times as you need. Arrange the images neatly in rows and columns, leaving small margins between them. This way, you can print several passport photos on one sheet, which is convenient and saves paper. Before printing, it's a good idea to check your page layout. Go to the Layout tab, click on Margins, and select Narrow to make the most of your page space. Confirm that your page size matches your printer settings, which is usually set to A4 paper. Now, print a test page on regular paper first. This helps you check that the size, quality, and arrangement are correct. Once you're satisfied, replace the paper with photo-quality paper in your printer for the final print. After printing, carefully cut out the passport photos, using scissors or a paper cutter for clean, precise edges. And there you have it. Using Microsoft Word, you can quickly create, arrange, and print passport-size photos without needing any extra software. This method works for standard passport sizes and can easily be adjusted if your country requires different dimensions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.